During World War II, the Germans laid siege around the city of St. Petersburg, or Leningrad as we know it now. The siege began in September 1941, lasted till January of 1944. That was 872 days for a city which was deprived of every essential commodity. 1 million died, but the city refused to surrender. In 1945, Stalin recognized Leningrad as a hero city of the former Soviet Republic. So when we began this journey to create a vodka which was a tribute to St. Petersburg, or a tribute to Peter the Great, who created the city to give Russia another world-class marine port, we had to achieve the spirit of indomitable courage, of conviction, of tenacity, of the belief that we have to have the best and the most supreme vodka in the world. And thus was born Russian Spirit, which we would like to believe is the god of vodkas. Consider this, a 300-year-old recipe, a 100-year-old distillery, the best wheat in the world from the ecologically pure Ukrainian regions, water that's sourced from 800 meters below ground. Russian Spirit is distilled 15 times and then filtered using pure gold membrane and gold ions. That is what it takes to create a vodka with the right pH balance, with the clarity of taste and the smoothness that you can really enjoy when you take a shot of Russian Spirit and enjoy the smoothness going down your gullet without any of the burning sensations that you associate with vodka. It just does not exist with Russian Spirit. No wonder in the 2013 International Review of Spirits in the United States, Russian Spirit was recognized as exceptional. It was awarded 95 points out of 100 and won a gold medal. Not really a surprise given the quality of vodka that we are proposing to sell. As manufacturers of quality vodkas, it really hurts us to see how the category has been promoted. People are selling bottles more than the product inside. People are selling fashion, people are selling labels, people are selling art, everything other than what's inside a bottle. And that is what we are here to change. We are not going to sell the bottle. We are going to sell what's inside, the liquid, the vodka. And that is what will set us apart in the times to come. So how do you drink this vodka? Most people will tell you can have it as a cocktail, as a mix with ice, etc., etc. No. That's not how Russians drink vodka. You can drink Russian Spirit straight at room temperature and you will still enjoy the smoothness. But what we really recommend is that you pour a chilled shot, say Nazdarovia, and shoot it down and enjoy the smoothness and pureness of Russian Spirit. 300-year-old traditional Russian recipe, 100-year-old distillery, 15 times distilled, gold filtered. This is the god of vodkas.